Here's the first one that was put up. My wife's doing a template of the wall because, as you can see, there's a curve and it's going to be hard to cut it without messing it up. So I really can't show you the template because underneath the paper you can see there's a curve right there where she's going to do the template and cut it out. We're sticking it in the corner. We cut the back taping off just a little bit so we can get it lined up correctly. And then let's look at the finished work of art. There's the finished product. Hopefully you like it. It was a little tricky to cut. Sorry I didn't show the video of how we cut it, but it took a little bit, but it's all done. And hope you enjoy the video.